How to check Android phone activation dates. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's get started. So currently there is no direct way to check your device activation date, but I found a trick for you. So basically, whenever you buy a device, you need to sign in through your Google account. So if you check the first sign in date of your Google account, which is the primary Google account you used or the first time Google account you have used, so you can basically get the activation date idea. So for that, you can launch any browser on your device. Use the account that you created for the first time and make sure to sign in with that particular account. Go ahead and tap Profile at top right and access Settings option or simply manage your Google account. At top, you will see different tabs like Home, Personal Info. For now, you have to go ahead and tap Security tab. Scroll down and you will see Manage all devices under your devices section. You simply need to select your device from the list. Open the device and you will see the first signing date which indicates when you signed into Google for the first time on this device. You can say it's on March 13, 2022. So the first sign-in date corresponds closely to your device activation date. So by checking the first sign-in date, you can easily figure out when your device was activated. If this trick helped, please like and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.